Hello, everybody. Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. It's time to get busy. Let's go ahead and go to work. It's our Drab to Fab Fall Edition collaboration. The Dream Team is back, guys, in full force. I am so excited, guys. Hello, ladies. So, guys, we're going to go ahead and give you some inspiration. Click the playlist in the description box to see all of the videos. To start with, let me give you a little disclaimer about the furniture. The cocktail table there in the middle, that is new. Now it came in the wrong color, so I'm still working on the finish to tone it down. Those lamp tables, they were already in the wrong finish. I had given them a pearl finish earlier. I needed to take that down, and I did as well. When I began to search for a coffee table, I had some things to consider: the size of the room, the space, and how I would use the table. I want my friends to gather around in this space, want to be able to have conversations, want to have beverages and food, and I want to be able to share books and all of that. And I don't want to have to leave, but we can just sit there and have great conversation. Now, when I'm doing a room, I always like to get my dirtiest projects done first. So, going ahead and painting the inside of the fireplace with a high temp paint. So, let me be clear, high temp paint on the inside and around the surround. I got that done. And of course, I did an epoxy hearth on this, and I do have some footage of that if you would like to see it. It's still not done. With one minor step, we need to do a 220 grit sand. Oh, yeah, and then we have to do a polyurethane for epoxy finish. Just goes on the top, guys. That's it. When I'm decorating for fall, I always have Christmas in mind on how I can easily switch things out. So the garland, which is filled with large magnolia picks from Hobby Lobby, I already had those before they sold out. And so they've been hanging around for a minute, and I just use those on the mantle. And then, of course, you've seen me insert the magnolia flower inside those flower arrangements in my home over and over again. So we're recycling these things, and I just kept it simple. Then I flanked the sides of it with the blue velvet pumpkin, just flowing with the blue. The prices of everything have definitely increased, including artwork and canvas and art supplies. So, hey, I continue to recycle over here. I took that same canvas that's been above the couch for a minute, and for the fifth time, I said, okay, I'm gonna paint over it. And I was like, no, it weighs a ton from all of the previous paint. So just go ahead and just remove the canvas and apply some more. So I went to Amazon, ordered the canvas. It was perfect, the perfect amount, and just, stapled it to the frame. And then I had a new canvas. I did the painting right there in the kitchen. We're having to be a little flexible. Everybody wants to stay cool, and no one wants to get hot in the garage trying to do anything. So yeah, I'm just painting it, just inspired by something that I saw online, and I still had the picture on my phone. And the painting was like $700. And guys, I was like, listen, I'm gonna get this done. And I got it done for basically 60 bucks. All right, I have the right to be tired. The fireplace is done. Furniture has been painted. Now, oh, yeah, and the artwork has been done. Let's go ahead and clean up the couch, and let's arrange all the 9 pillows that came with the couch back on the couch. Don't switch out the pillows on my couch a lot. It's busy enough by itself. Listen, fall and winter, Christmas season, this is my spot on the couch, curled up with my favorite throw, and I am in a good book or napping right in front of the fireplace. And I could care less what the fellas are doing in there with the football game. This is my zone right here. So that is why I needed tall lamps, guys. Tall lamps to put some light over the arm of the chair so I can read and enjoy my zone. Yeah, we're still celebrating those Dollar Tree acorns and pumpkins they had years ago. Still have those, and I almost painted them blue. I really did because I thought it was a little much. But hey, this is just for a short time. Okay, so I'm back on the art kick again. I do love a recycled frame and canvas. And this is what I call pop-out art. This is art that you can change into anything you want, anytime you want. You put it in one spot and you just switch it out. So here I am sponging over some canvas that I've added to some foam board. And guys, I love how this goes on. It creates art instantly, so you can add multiple colors, and this is just a unique way that anyone can create a painting for their home. But anyway, with a nod to vintage and silver, which I love getting from thrift stores, I can create a unique grouping of art right here along the stairs, and that's what I'm doing right here. I wanted it to look a little velvety and aged and vintage, and again, it's a nod to vintage because I love that traditional yet modern vibe. And with the help of some command strips attached to the back of some silver plated, that's right, silver plated, it's not real, attached to these beautiful platters, voila, I have some amazing art. Now you can do this with mirrors as well. Again, this is pop-out art, so I can switch this to anything and add more paint to the canvas to change the colors or even fabric. So you're going to see this mainstay art in this location, but it can change from holiday to season, anything I want. All of the furniture pieces in this space, with the exception of the couch and the plum covered ottoman, are restored pieces, including this little bench here. There are videos on my channel that feature all of these items, yes, including the chairs. Hey, I had to try. I had something else in mind in the location where the Art Me Out print that looks like a flat screen TV, where that's located, and I took it down, and in the process of trying to repair the wall so we can put new items up there isn't any more paint, even at the store, and they can't even have someone bring over any because they don't have it either. So it is Sherwin-Williams paint, and I went straight to the source to get it, and I'm going to have to wait. So I put the painting print back on the wall. Well, that's it from me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the journey that I took to complete this project, and I hope that you will click the description box playlist and sit back with a cup of coffee or your favorite drink and watch all of the videos and get lots of inspiration. And if you have comments for me, questions about any of the processes that I took to get my projects done, do leave the comment so I can follow back up with you, and I don't mind sharing. And I do have some footage of some things that I can put together a quick video for you, and just let me know what you need and I'll be glad to do it. And if there are Amazon links available, I'm going to make sure that those are also in the description box below and the link to my Amazon store. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thanks for supporting the Dream Team. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.